Theo.
What else do you want to say to him?
I had fun.
And? What else?
I'll see you back home
And?
on Monday.
Are you going to tell him you made a mess in his room?
No!
Why not?
You freak.
Why aren't you going to tell him that?
'Cause why?
Why aren't you going to tell him?
'Cause
But you made a mess in his room.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Why are you going to lie?
I'm not lying.
He's going to see it when he comes back.
Fine. That's kidding.
Okay. Tell him, don't get drunk.
Don't get drunk.
And tell him not to get married.
That's a kid. Don't get married.
And tell him to say hi to Mario.
Say hi to Mario
And Tony.
and Tony
And Tio Hector.
and Theo Hector.
And
Say hi.
tell Pio not to buy a stripper.
Don't buy a stripper. Why you buy a stripper?
Because he pays a stripper, duh.
Oh.
Silly. And what else are you gonna tell him?
I'll meet you back home. You better have your present.
Okay, and what else do you want to say? Do you want to say anything to Mario? Say it. Hello. Say hey Mario.
Hey Mario,
How you doing?
how you doing?
Don't get too drunk.
Don't get too drunk.
And what else are you gonna say?
You're getting home with Mario, with Theo and Tony. With Tony.
Tell them to kidnap Tio Hector.
What?
Tell them to kidnap Tio Hector
Why?
so they could bring him home.
No.
Why not?
Because they'll be stealing.
That'll be what?
They'll be stealing a person.
Stealing a person?
Yes.
Oh. And tell him to come visit us, and so he could bring his baby, so you could play with his daughter.
What? Say what?
I said, tell Tio Hector to bring his daughter so you could play with her.
You do that. You want to?
Say bye.
Bye.
Tell him to make your video back.
Make a video back. Hey, you really do that.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Monkey face.
That's funny.
Again?
Okay. You know funny,
Okay. Okay. You do know they're gonna see this video, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Show Pierre your costume.
Some costume.
Make the mean face. Do the mean face.
Okay, stop.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.